So we are heading to my buddy's house today, who also has a Forester actually, but we are going to be fixing my diffuser because I actually put a new one on recently. Literally, I think it was last Wednesday, so I haven't had it on there for a week. But we are going to be fixing it because when we put it on, we kind of drilled it in a little bit weird, and it came out like curved on top. Because there's like, if you guys have an SG Forester, you know that there's like little like knuckles on the rear bumper. So we drilled like around those and it made it curve. We're going to be re-drilling those into, we're gonna go right to the knuckles and sort of flatten it out on top, because I feel like diffusers are meant to be flat, and I think it just looks better that way. So we're going to be fixing that today, and then once we do that, I'll probably get some pictures after I wash the car. People can drive their cars with their headphones in or earphones in. Like, why don't you just play it out loud or something? Like, whatever you have in your ears, why don't you just play it out loud? I don't get it. Oh, that's so sick. I don't like Audi that much, but that Nardo gray with the black accents on the RS3, I'm with that. So basically we're just gonna be, as you can see, it's like kind of curved right there. So we're just gonna be drilling right into these knuckles instead of on the sides of it to try to straighten that out. But that's all we're doing today. We're just gonna straighten that out and hopefully it'll look good. Go. It.
Oh man, I got that on camera.
We'll put one in the center and we sort of.
Yeah, I think so. So let's make sure that it's aligned, and then based on where that's aligned, I can put. I'm kind of thinking like we'll put one in each knuckle. Or just one in the center. No, I don't even want to put one in the center.
I think, yeah, one in each knuckle to start.
Yeah, because that way...
Just in the right spot.
Yeah, for sure.
We can line it from the top, too, to make sure that's straight, and we'll just go from there.
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. Yeah, so line it up from the top. Actually, another thing we could do is we could get one screw in the back, and then that would make sure that we were centered.
Yeah.
And then I think
like rotate it back and forth.
Maybe. Either or. I think both works just fine, man.
Yeah, I think as long as we get the distance out here, like for how far we want it to stick out.
Yep, I agree.
Make sure it's straight.
I agree.
Go right into the knuckles, and we can just go from there.
Yeah, for sure. Come on, baby. money.
That's how that should be.
Yeah, looks better. More better.
Alright, I fixed my grill still. Alright guys, so we're gonna go wash real quick and he's gonna get some rollers of the car with the diffuser on. He's gonna take his ruckus, so it should be pretty sick. And then, yeah, I think that's the plan right now. I don't know what we're gonna do after that, but just, I said we're gonna wash cars, that's what we're doing now. So last thing I want to do is just probably park somewhere and just let you know like where it's all mounted in case you want to grab one of these diffusers for yourself. And if they are already released, which is going to be on Monday, today's Saturday, or I think it should be Monday, then I'll probably just put my buddy's website in the description of the video to make it easy to grab one. But yeah, so I'm gonna park somewhere, tell you guys like where it's all mounted, and then that'll probably be the end of the video. There's not a whole lot left that I am doing today. It's just sort of washing cars, fixing the diffuser, and then that's about it. So I'm gonna find a good spot to pull over up here. So now I'll show you a close-up of the diffuser. I need to get new tires really bad too. I was just thinking about that. Probably I have 275/40 18 right now. I think I might go 285/30, which is a like significantly smaller sidewall. But I don't know if I want to mess up my fitment because I feel like with the 275/40 18, the fitment's pretty much on point. So I don't know if a 285/30 would mess that up, because just because it has a little bit of stretch, it kind of like goes into the flare, if that makes any sense. So we'll see. I'm not gonna get new tires yet, but probably within the next couple months. But anyway, I was getting sidetracked. Here's the diffuser. If you saw it before, I don't know how well it's gonna show up on camera when I showed it before, but it was pretty wavy on top because we went into the sides of the knuckles instead of literally into the knuckles. But now it's pretty straight, or it's like pretty flat. And also before it was kind of curved, so like instead of being like that, I think it was kind of like that, but it looks like it's straight now too, which is nice. But it looks super good in my opinion. I was gonna show you guys where it's mounted in case you want to do this yourself. It might vary from car to car, and you don't have to do it where I did it, but it's just what made sense to me. So for the sides, I think we did 3, one on the end there, one on the other end down there, and then one right here. There's a little tab that sticks out in the bumper. We just put it in there, which you don't need to do, but I think that it made it sit better. It's more sturdy that way. And then same for the other side as well. There's a little tab you can drill into if you want to. And then same with just one on one end, one on the other end, so 3 total for the sides. For the center, I believe we just did like 2 into that knuckle, 2 into that knuckle, 2 there, 2 there. And there's one last part of the middle piece that you have to do, where basically where your spare tire is, we just put it in there. We put like 2 self-tapping screws in there, or might have been 3, just one on one side, one on the other side, and then one in the middle. Beyond the spikes right there, it still goes another like 5 or so inches, so you're gonna want to bring that up so it's not hanging down. Super excited to have a diffuser on the market finally for SG Foresters. And like I said, if you guys have any questions about the diffuser before you buy or after you buy, then definitely let me know, or just overall questions in general. I'm happy to answer any of them. But I think that's gonna be it for this video. I haven't made a video in a while, so I appreciate all you guys showing support still. But I think I'm gonna cut off the video right here. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of the Forester and just other car content in general. I'd really appreciate it. And I think that's gonna be it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.